but I want the whole chocolate collection. I was like, I need the whole thing. Give me the whole thing. Squishy, 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 squishy. I love that. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some more makeup. This is another edition of what I got for Christmas, and I'm going to show you guys what I got because I got a big one today. It's a real big one. So today what we're going to be talking about is the new GLAMLITE Chocolate Factory collection. I got the whole thing, y'all. Oh yes. So I can't wait to get all into this box. This is a lot of things. We got 7 items to talk about today. Before I dip all the way into it though, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Let's get into all of these goodies. Yeah, let's get right onto this packaging because it's a lot to unfold. So on the big old box I got, and I got this right before Christmas. Another item I thought I'm not gonna get this for Christmas. I got this right before Christmas and I was like, oh, they got it to me. So I got like a true Christmas gift. But on the front, it does say Chocolate Factory. And then this is quite big. I'm trying to make sure it's not falling. And then when you open it up, you get all of the donut, chocolatey, kind of like a Willy Wonka kind of inspired. That's one thing I love so much. I'm gonna pull out this one first because this is just trips me out. Look. I gotta go to ticket. I gotta go to ticket. You know, that kind of thing. I'm just so excited. It says GLAMLITE Golden Ticket, Holiday 2020, GLAMLITE Chocolate Factory. This golden ticket emits 1 foodie. So on the back, it does have Giselle. She says, congratulations, foodie. You are the recipient of the GLAMLITE Golden Ticket, which gives you exclusive access to the ultimate chocolate experience. In this box, you will find the most decadent and delicious chocolate treats ever. Welcome to the GLAMLITE Chocolate Factory. So the larger item out of the box is the chocolate donut palette. So we've had our original pink donut palette. We know about that. Go check out that video, by the way, guys. And this one actually has the same kind of, I believe the same kind of container, just different colors. It says chocolate donut right there. This palette does contain 9 intensely pigmented nude shades based on the most popular delicious types of chocolate donuts, such as iconic chocolate sprinkles, marble, Boston cream, and many others. Get rid of this. Whoop. There we go. So with this palette, again, it has that nice and poofy texture all around the donut. You do have the donut at the top. It does come with a cute little mirror. And then you have all of these colors. So again, they decided to give us a bam highlighter smack dab in the middle. But I do really like this packaging. We had it before in the pink version. Now we have the chocolate. I love browns and nudes on this channel, if you guys don't know. So next I'm going to talk about the GLAMLITE S'mores Highlight and Contour Palette. Let me just start off by... Oh, it smells so good. It's very decadent, very, very decadent. Ooh, it smells like straight up chocolate. So this little cutie right here, if you can see from the packaging, it has s'mores, it has GLAMLITE up there, it's a contour highlighting palette. It does give you a chocolate bar, marshmallows, and a graham cracker on there. And it's so cute. In the back, they show you lined up the contour highlighters. And they give you 2 highlighters you actually get, guys. You guys gotta see this. This is so cute. Just look at that. Look at this. It's like a straight up graham cracker. And then look, check this out. Bam. I love that. I was like, shut up. And then it's like a little gold lining in there. It's so, so cute. I was like, this is too much. And also too, guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's puffy. I love this. This packaging is just, I know it's so simple and the simple ones be getting me, but I love it. So we do have 3 lashes in this whole cute collection, guys. The first is donut lashes. Look at that cute little packaging. It's so adorable. It's like a mini little donut. Normal glazed donut with chocolate syrup on it. I love these little round containers. I love them. The donut lashes indulge in gorgeous, full, voluptuous eyelashes. Every lash designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of materials. Our 3 synthetic lashes are the perfect way to add volume and length and versatility to your eyelashes. This is cruelty-free, by the way. That's what I love really, really much about them too. Next lash. We're gonna talk about this one. I thought it would be a different kind of item. I was like, oh, when I first seen it on Instagram, I was like, I don't know if that's gonna be lashes. So I thought this was gonna be like a full bronzing bar, but we have the chocolate candy bar lashes. Now look at that cute little packaging. It's a cute little chocolate bar. On the back of this, if you can see, look, nutrition facts. Like, this is so cute. I was like, okay. Because the rest of the box was like, oh, okay, it's traditional. This bag was so cute. It says 100% synthetic lashes, amount per serving 15. And it says every lash designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality material. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and a versatility to your lashes. Again, cruelty-free and vegan. This is adorable. It says up to 15 servings, 0 calories, 0 grams, 100%. This is so cute. Look at that. Like, little details get me. So last but not least, we do have our Cocoa lashes. I actually have them on right now. So these Cocoa lashes are very, very beautiful. And I think that's very adorable. I like this one. It's kind of a pop out one. It does have a lot of sweets on top. Thousands of sweets. So like I said, it's cute. It's a cute little idea. It's cute. So on this too, she decided to give us 2 glosses. So first off, we're gonna talk about is hot cocoa. Now look at this cute little packaging. And it's straight up like hot cocoa, which is making me hungry. I'm probably gonna make a hot cocoa tonight because that's making me thirsty. And on the back it says, indulge in the most epic drink of all time over and over again without any guilt. Hot chocolate lips will have you looking sweet and savory after every application. An extra rich and long-lasting formula. Keep your lips looking like a delicious, warm, toasty treat all year long. I have her on right now. I look tasty. Yes. Last but not least, y'all, we have the s'mores. So the s'mores has a cute little s'more on the side. The delicious scent of a sugary marshmallow, sweet graham cookies, and rich melting chocolate is unmatched, mouth-watering concoction that makes s'mores America's favorite campfire treat. S'mores lip gloss's delicious twist on the iconic chocolatey experience. Infused with the scent of fresh cocoa, this gloss is guaranteed to leave your lips craving for more. Packaging is cute. The little s'mores. Love it. If you guys want this very chocolatey, indulging look, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. I know there was multiple things in there. With the chocolate donut palette, we already know gives you 9 beautiful, delectable shades. This one doesn't have a chocolate scent, unfortunately, but it does give you a cute highlighter in the middle with all of those shades. So I'm gonna dig into my favorite shades first out the palette. My favorite shade is gonna be Sweet Filling, that one at the top. I love her. And then I actually do like Chocolate Sprinkles. She's cute. I want her to perform a little better, but I do really like that shade. But my favorite is Boston Creme. That one I just like, and I even use that on my bottom as well. Chocolate Glazed is very cute. I did use that as a highlighter, like my first highlighter, I believe. Here, I got 3 highlighters on my face right now, y'all. I got 3 of them. A lot, too much. This is really pretty. I love the whole chocolate fantasy. If you guys don't know, over here, we stand chocolate, we stand brown, brown skin, brown lips, brown shoes, brown nails, everything brown and melanized, okay? I love chocolatey colors. You can never go wrong with them. You got all different versions of them, clearly. This is an everyday palette. You can wear it anywhere, anyway, anyhow. So this whole collection, y'all, for 45 bucks. So around 44 actually with a little discount. So I would go snag it up. I feel like if you just want the palette, that will give you your chocolatey goodness all you want. Just my favorite. Next I'm going to talk about is the S'mores Contour and Highlighter palette. Let's get into this, shall we? So this palette actually does come with a mirror. Y'all know crazy about that mirror. You know, GLAMLITE, you starting to do that like Juvia. Give me a freaking mirror, okay? Packaging of this is fantastic. Again, like earlier, I love the squishy part. The squishy, just like the donut. The squishy part. Love it. These colors. So her right here, Contour. I actually did use her overall. You know, you see me buffing it in. I bronze more, guys. I don't really contour so much. So for me, it was just kind of like, you know, I like to be warm. I like to be toasty all year long. I like to look like you are bronze for the heavens. This one's a very light contour on me. I don't know how it's gonna look on darker, deeper, melanized girls. I don't think it's gonna show up. We're gonna probably end up using this as eyeshadow because on me, it's barely there. Anyone that is more melanized to my skin tone level, I feel like this would be pretty like a very light contour. I wish she came out with different versions, and I know it's kind of like, oh, how you gonna know what customers what? True, but I wish she would have put a second one that's darker. I wish she would have made it 4 slots because I'm gonna need a darker one. Which the contour is actually called Chocolate. The highlighter is called Marshmallow, and then the bronzing highlighter is called Graham Cracker. Because these are nice and smooth. Look at those. Those are nice and smooth. They are a little more powdery. They do stay in their place though. Look how glowy that is. This one didn't scare me as much. I thought that would scare me and I was like, I can't put that on. That's gonna be too much. But actually it wasn't at all. So I'm like, I'm shocked by that it didn't scare me off. But the bronzy one is my favorite. It gives that beautiful chocolatey glow. Look at it. It's so great. Oh, this smells like chocolate. I think it's cute, smells good. The packaging is A+ to me, simple but to the point. I just wish there was another contour in there. Next, we're going to talk about is all of these lashes, honey. First out the gate, donut lashes. This one's cute. We already talked about the packaging, but let me just get right up into these lashes. So with these lashes, y'all, every time I get GLAMLITE's lashes in this little round container, y'all, they are the best. Did you see my lashes? You see my lashes with these on? You seen them. They look amazing. It's nice and full. These are volumized like crazy. They're just gorgeous. They just sat there on my eye. They just hugs my eye. I love any container you see her lashes in these round containers. Just buy them. I swear. It's like she do it purposely. I swear these are top tier, honey. Top tier. So next we're going to talk about is the chocolate bar lashes. So these I thought they were going to be like a bronzing kind of set, but like I said earlier, it is not. Now with these lashes, y'all, when I did put them on, the band is totally uncomfortable. I was like, ooh, she's stiff. She's mixed stiff or something. But the curl on these lashes are beautiful. They're so full, and then they have like a perfect, like, it's so gorgeous how they curl. They are light and fluffy on the touch. So when you have them on, they're very, very light. You can't feel them, but that lash band makes you remember that you got them on. Last but not least, these are the Choco Lashes. So these Choco Lashes are very, very pretty. I like these. This band is not uncomfortable. They still do open up to the eye so you can see in between of my shadow. So it doesn't fully block it out. I believe the donut lashes do kind of block out some some eye looks because it's so much fuller at the bottom and all the way through compared to these that are longer and they have that curl like the chocolate bar lashes. Kind of get the best of both worlds with this lash. Get that curl, that long, pretty look, and that little bit of volume, but then the lash band doesn't hurt. So. Next, we're going to talk about is the lip glosses. So I'm going to start off actually with the lighter shade, which I'm actually confused a little bit. To me, the hot chocolate seems like it would be the darker chocolate shade and the s'mores would be the lighter one. But apparently it is completely switched around. The hot cocoa is the one I have on my lips again right now. This is the hot cocoa one. Y'all, I love this lip gloss. It's insane. This smells so good. I'm gonna put some more back on. Hold on. This is too good. It is literally like a, I want to say, I have chocolates like this. Oh, speaking of chocolate. Oh, it smells like decadent, juicy, nice chocolate. But this really is a very, very nice color. To me, I thought it was going to be a little cooler brown on me, like a little cooler tone, but she's actually a little warm. But this one is my favorite. It's supreme. She's so good. This is every day. Man, if we wasn't wearing masks and people, you know, everyone healthy back to normal, I'd be wearing a mess out this thing. I'm gonna wear it underneath my mask still, don't worry, I'm still gonna wear it. But I really I wanna show it off. This is such a pretty lip. And y'all, I have, you know, melanized lips, that natural lip liner, and it still covers it, but still kind of lets it peek through a little bit. It's perfect. And last out of the collection, but not the least, is going to be the S'mores lip gloss. Oh, that chocolatey goodness. With this guy, so this one doesn't have as much slip as the other hot chocolate lip gloss. This one, I believe it is considered a lip gloss, y'all, but the consistency is different from the hot cocoa. This one, I thought at first, I thought it was gonna dry down to like a matte liquid lip. I thought for a second, but this is like a heavy, full coverage gloss. And I said, I like that. This has kind of like a shimmer. It's a nice warmish, kind of reddish brown. I like this. It's nice and full coverage gloss. I really thought I was like, it's a matte liquid lip. I said, oh no, I don't like liquid lipsticks, y'all. I hate them. We hate that on this channel. The High Shine Full Coverage Gloss. It's pretty awesome. I was like, okay, this is a different texture I haven't got from her yet, from her glosses. And I really, really enjoyed this. I was like, keep doing this. All right, guys. So that was my whole review of the whole GLAMLITE Chocolate Factory collection. I loved it. It was a fun experience, but this was a very special one and it got to me right before Christmas so I could open it and be shocked because I didn't remember half the stuff I ordered. This whole box for under $50 was very, very good. I hope she keeps doing foodie boxes like this. I recommend people, if you can snag it, grab this collection because you will not regret it. The whole Willy Wonka theme is just so, so cute. And I was like, you guys got me. You got me, GLAMLITE. Like, I'm buying that box. All them browns and chocolates, you best believe I'm buying that box. So I just love it. I think it was really, really well put together. Again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which product was your favorite. Tell me which one that you liked the most and which ones did you grab, by the way. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Boom.